Hello guys, this is Salman from Mychway.
Hello
Good
guys.
to see you guys again this week.
Hello guys, I'm Mia from Mychway. I'm happy to see you guys.
Yes, this is our new colleagues who called Mia, and it's only been a week, but it seems like a long time to see you guys. So it will be more helpful for you guys to subscribe us from our YouTube channel, from our Facebook or Instagram, and click the link below to give us a like and share this live to your friends. It will be helpful.
If I want to buy some of the beauty machines, so where can I buy them?
Well, I guess the customers for watching our live stream, they may be from Facebook, maybe from Instagram or YouTube or Alibaba. So this platform, they can bought from this platform. So you can just click the link, the subscribe here, or contact the sellers from that platform. You can contact them and send a message to them, say hi and what machines you like and what's your demands, and you can ask any information like also like the warranty, the shipping time, and the user manual. That anything you want to ask, you can ask us, and then click, and then they will provide an invoice to you to orders. Also, you can order it directly from the third-party platform like eBay, like Amazon, also from Alibaba, and the Mychway online or Mychway shop.com, which is our official shops here. Hi guys, welcome to our live stream. So yeah, this is how we can order it from Mychway.
Oh, it's very convenient. So I think it's time to go to today's business now. We bought a new machine today to show you guys.
So we're gonna show you guys what machines we got here today.
Oh my
wow!
God.
My God. Yes.
So why do you still choose this machine?
Well, actually, we bought two machines here today, but the main machines for today's live stream is the Everstorm cavitation machines. Also, we bought a hot seller 9-in-1 cavitation machines, but I'm gonna show you guys here for this machine later. So this is our new launched. It's actually not a new launch ones, but a hot seller ones. But basically, the orders is mainly from the distributors from other countries. So the machine is mainly for body contouring, or we say body sculpting, because it has the cavitation, which is the cavitation 2.5 from the Everstorm, and also has the basic ones, which is the weighted frequency and weighted frequency with vacuum, and also the weighted frequency with facial lifting, and also it's actually the same function with the old version 9-in-1 machine. We will tell you guys the main differences between the older versions of 9-in-1 machines and the newer versions of the Everstorm cavitation 2.5 machines. Actually, the price for example, from our Alibaba Mychway store, the price listing is like $520. So here we decide to share you guys $20 coupons. So you can contact us and give you like maybe a screenshot for our live stream, so you can get $20 coupon, and then you can get it like $499, free shippings to United States, to Japan, to Australia, to other countries.
And so I have the menu in front of me.
Yeah, I heard a lot of customers they said our user manual is awesome, it's good, it's wonderful, because you can see clearly what is the function of the machines, what you cannot do for with using these machines. What you have said is basically what the machines have, which is the weighted frequency vacuum handles, and the cavitation handle, and also the handles for the face, and also the lip laser pads. You will got results such as body sculpting, body slimming, and also the skin lifting and skin vegetations from the weighted frequency handles, right?
Yeah. the ultrasonic wave can powerfully burn and remove fat and which the surface implant section to solve the problem of the obese people.
So if you have done liposuction, your skin will be loosened because the fat is released from your body. So the skin will be kind of loosened. The radio frequency vacuum handles, it's basically for skin tightening and metabolism, right?
Yeah.
And then you gotta use the vacuum to suck the skin, and with the help of radio frequency, your skin will be more tightening. So basically, you can use the radio frequency 6 polar handle first, and then use the 40K average storm cavitation 2.5, and then use the radio frequency vacuum to do skin tightening.
Let's continue. RF has deeper skin layer, stimulates collagen regenerates and organizes in the dermis, and promotes blood circulation at the skin bottom, which can achieve the result of skin firming and anti-age.
So I guess you are talking about facial radio frequency handles, because from the manual it says it's mainly for the for anti-aging and wrinkle removal. So the big differences between those two machines, I guess, is the facial lifting handles, because we got 2 polar radio frequency and also the 6 polar radio frequency. So the facial radio frequency can make you look younger, you know. So you will use the face lifting handles on the two polars one on your eyelids. So it's mainly for wrinkle actually, because most of the wrinkle will be from your eyelids and your forehead. So you can also use the 6 polar ones on your forehead. So lipo pads is similar ones with the 9-in-1 machines, actually with the square one. So they got the same amount of lamps. You will see the similar results from both pads. So basically, you can use the lipo pads after the cavitations and the radio frequency vacuum treatments. So it's mainly for detox, fat detox, and helps to remove the fat from your body. So the 40K is basically for fat removal and body sculpting.
So we brought the 2 machines here. So what's the biggest difference?
So you mentioned what's the main difference between the older version
and
the newer versions, which is the Avistorm Cavitation 2.5 machines. The main difference will be the cavitation handle, because that's what's the main function of the cavitation machine, right? So the main differences between these 2 handles. So basically, if you have this machine, you must hold the handle like this. So the energy will, if you move in back and forth, the energy of your hands will be from the left to right. And for these ones, the energy of you moving the handles will be from the up to down, right? Yeah, you will save more energy from using this handle.
So what else is different?
And yeah, the power from the cavitation 2.5 is stronger than cavitation 2.0. You will hear louder buzzing sounds based on the water testing. And also you will see there's I guess there's 0 waves from the prompt. So you will have a massage treatments also from the cavitation 2.5 handles. And then you can compare the size of the prompt.
This is the bigger one.
So it means the prompt from the cavitation 2.5 is bigger than the 2.0 one. So you will do a larger treatment area on your clients, and you will see a better results from the 2.5 cavitation handles. Okay, we're gonna test the cavitation 2.5 handles. So you can choose the Caviv, which is which is the cavitation 2.5, and then the
you
first.
can set up the energy.
Actually, there's a 2 modes, which is the continuum modes, and the discontinue modes. So continuous modes is basically for a skinnier person like you. Show you guys how we test it. Let's do the continuous modes to have better results. And hold the handles on air and then put this into a glass of water. So you can clearly hear a buzzing sound.
Yeah, it's very noisy.
Or we say the seasoning sound. If you cannot hear the seasoning sound like this, it means the handles may be broken, you know. And once you see the water testing from the older version 9.1, right?
Yeah.
Because we have mentioned the newer version, which is the Everstorm cavitation machines, will be stronger than the cavitation, older version of cavitation.
Yeah.
And let's get to the business and turn off machines. So actually you can see the screen here. So let's click the cavitation setup to the highest energy. Click the stop button and let's test it.
There is powerful and stronger than this one.
So the Everstorm is stronger than the old version cavitation 2.0. And yeah, this is how we test the cavitation handle.
That's why I highly recommended this machine.
Yes, and also you can see the differences between them. So you can do a massage also from the cavitation 2.5 handles and a larger area of the cavitation probe, and then there's a kind of like vibration from the handle. Most of the cavitation handles have the function point, which is on the middle of the probe, right?
Yeah.
Choose it. I guess we can do it like 4. So can you hear a little bit vibration on the middle?
But I think this is in the middle is very strong.
Very strong.
Yeah.
So
powerful.
The strongest spot is from the middle side, right?
Yeah.
And then if you move your fingers far away, like this, from outside you will feel less, you will feel weaker power. So the power from the cavitation 2.0 and the cavitation 2.5 is basically focused on the middle. So you will feel the vibration on the middle and feel less vibration from the outside. So this is how the cavitation working. But in terms of the Everstorm cavitation 3.0, the handles, the function of the cavitation wave will be on the whole probes, so you will have a better results from the Everstorm cavitation 3.0.
Oh.
But this one works good as well.
So besides the water test, so how to check the suction?
So firstly, you have to make sure this filter is connected. So this filter is connected. Also, the filter itself is connected well. So make sure there's no gap between the head and the lower half of the bottles. And then make sure the filter is connected well to the machine. And also make sure the cable of the suction is connected well. And then there you go. Turn on the suction. Turn on the suction part. Turn on the radio frequency. So it has suction now. Basically, if you want to do butt lifting, you can set up a longer suction time and lower release time. It's not recommended to use gel. So don't use any ultrasound gel or radio frequency gel.
Why?
because the ultrasound gel will be suctioning, or the gel will go deep into the handle inside. So don't forget to click the subscribe link here and follow our IG, our Instagram, our Facebook, so you will know more the new machines from us. Follow us every live streams on Thursday, 9:30 p.m. New York time. Yes.
Now we are gonna say goodbye, this year, but we will see you next year.
Yeah, see you next year.
And Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Bye.
Bye.